Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete Telegram call history, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete Telegram call history, first open up your Telegram app. After opening a Telegram app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left, and when this panel appears, tap on the calls over here just below the contacts. Tap on calls, and all of your call history will be available over here. And now in order to proceed to delete that Telegram call history, you can either delete a specific call history or you can delete all of the call history at once. Now in order to proceed to delete just a call history of a person, tap and hold on the call history of that person, and when you tap and hold on it, a delete icon will be available for us at the top right corner of the screen. You can tap on it and you can see where it says, do you want to delete the selected calls from recent? And if you want that to be deleted for everyone, tap on the empty box over here and a tick mark will appear, and tap on the delete button over here, and that specific call history on Telegram will be deleted. Or if you want to delete all of the call history on a Telegram permanently, let's close this. You can see from this interface, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you can see the delete all calls option available for us over here. Tap on delete all calls, and over here on this pop-up box again, tap on delete, and your call history on your Telegram will be deleted. And with that being said, guys, this is how to delete call history on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.